I'm Chris from the Driving Theory Workshop, and today I'm talking about driving in icy conditions. Now remember first of all that when driving in icy conditions that our following distance is 10 times the distance than it is in dry conditions. Now when it's dry conditions it's 2 seconds, so therefore 10 times that amount is 20 seconds on your following distance. Also remember that when you're pulling off from stationary, it's important to use a higher gear than normal. Now that may mean that instead of pulling off in first gear, we pull off in second gear. This will allow the tyres to get more traction with the road surface and move away slowly rather than wheel spinning. If you found that information useful, then please give it a like, comment or share. You can find more useful videos to help you with your theory by searching for the Driving Theory Workshop on YouTube and subscribing to our channel. Or if you want more help with your theory test, then you can join our online course by visiting www.drivingtheoryworkshop.co.uk.